Hello everyone, this is Rodney the car guy, just shooting a quick video on my Detroit axle front and rear brake kit for my '07 Honda Accord. Did some research, found them online, say hey, price wasn't that bad, say let's give them a shot. Alright, now these are the items that it comes with. You can see they wasn't careful with the shipping. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have 2 front rotors in the plastics, which is good. I was hoping to see that. And we have here our rear rotors. Looks good, looks good. Alright, next we have the brake pads. This looks like it's the rear. And it comes with the hardware, which is great. Guys, make sure you replace these things, okay? Don't just toss them aside. The only time you do not use them if it doesn't fit. All right, but if it doesn't fit, you should definitely go out and get some. All right, every time you replace your brakes. And these are the rear brake pads. These are ceramic brake pads. Helps reduce brake dust. I did find someone online when I was doing my research. They had a bad experience with the brake dust, but they didn't mention which pads they use, if it was the metallics or the ceramics. All right, but always go with the ceramics. They're supposed to be better, but again, this is what the video is for. We're going to put them to the test. Okay, then you have your front brakes here, which looks like the caliper grease did get on it, but that's fine. I can clean that off. It does come with one. That's what it looks like because I didn't see it in the rear, so it looks like it comes with 1 packet of grease. Another tip, highly suggest greasing the back of the caliper, the backing plate, the caliper guides, and the pins, okay? You definitely want to do that. You don't want to do a nice little brake job and then later down the road have to replace the calipers because it wasn't installed correctly. All right, and this one also has hardwares in it. All right, and then it also comes with a bottle of .3 brake fluid, and you have a can of brake clean. Thank you for watching my Detroit axle brake kit unboxing. Again, it's a great kit. Got it, everything all for under $100, plus free shipping. Can't beat it, man. So be on the lookout for the next video when they are installed on my car, my '07 Honda Accord, and we can go ahead and have fun testing some other stuff. All right, please comment, like, share, subscribe. You know what to do, guys. See you later. This is Rodney the car guy.